These four little sounds, neutral 1, neutral 2, neutral 3, neutral 4, These four little sounds are big trouble.
Big trouble.
Yes, indeed, big trouble. Much of your foreign accent comes from pronouncing these neutral sounds like their larger parent vowels, oo, e, a, ah.
Oo, e, a, ah.
But these sounds are made with a neutral facial posture. The structural shape is now reduced to its minimum. These sounds are all short, staccato, grunt-like sounds. I,
I, a.
I, I,
I,
I,
I,
I, I. Now, these neutral vowels at one time were related to their larger parent vowels. As in full, was related to oo, as in fool. Full, fool. I, as in fill, was related to e, as in feel.
Fill, feel.
As in fell, was related to a, as in fail, or even a, as in fallow. Fell, fail, fallow. And as in fumble, was related to as in father.
Fumble, father.
So get used to playing these vowels as short, staccato, grunt-like sounds, playing consonant to consonant. Always think of the neutral vowels as the shortest distance between two consonants.
My glass is full.
My glass is full.
Fool, full.
Please fill my glass.
Please fill my glass.
Feel, fill.
My glass fail.
My glass fell.
Fail, fell.
It was a fumble.
It was a fumble.
Fumble, fumble. Observe how when you shorten this little vowel, the consonants on either side of it become more important. That is, you play consonant to consonant. Begin to feel the consonants now as you move quickly over the neutral vowels, feeling consonant to consonant. Good, good.
Good, good.
Little, little.
Little, little.
Them, them.
Them, them.
Custom, custom.
Custom, custom.
In the following sentences, distinguish between the neutral and the parent vowel. Read each sentence 3 times. First, feel the vowels. It's a good tool.
It's a good tool.
Second, feel the consonants. It's a good tool.
It's a good tool.
Third, feel the consonants. It's a good tool.
It's a good tool. It's a good tool. She eats little meat. She eats little meat. She eats little meat.
They take neighbors with them. They take neighbors with them. They take neighbors with them.
Father's custom was to wear a costume. Father's custom was to wear a costume. Father's custom was to wear a costume.